What's going on, folks? Trying to keep you guys updated with everything I'm doing here. I'm out in Gilmer, Texas. Customer bought Signature Solar DIY kit. Had this come out and go ahead and install this thing. So let me go ahead and walk you through exactly what everything is. This is the 6000 XP series. This is the EG4 platform, 6000 watt, 240. Single phase. We also have load center here, grid and generator support with a 300 amp breaker, or 200 amp breaker sitting up over here. Down here we have the 215 kW EG4 platform 48 volt battery setup. So technically we have 30 kW of power here. On the touchscreen display, it just takes a second. It'll show all the diagnostics, any issues, things like that, BMS, communication, charging, how many amps it is, what kind of battery it is, all the basic information in case there is something that needs to be done or however for servicing. But other than that, that's a pretty continuous bulletproof platform. All right, so we got two of these sitting here going into the junction boxes, negative and positive coming up through the main junction boxes, and then this customized wiring harness platform, basically just made out of wood, coming down here, comes up and junctions into the inverter, and then the AC output comes over to the Generac bottom side of the switch itself. So on the hammer, we would always put, and I gotta label this, off grid is down here, and then grid is up over here. So like, for example, if anything were to ever have some type of issue, we just flip right over, bam. Let's say that the inverter died for whatever reason, then we were able to at least use that utility backup. And then of course, then we can shut the power off as if it was grid. So we'll have to go ahead and switch that back over. But the AC and DC input right now is coming in off of 12 440 watt monocrystalline bifacial solar panels on this racking system. It is a just basic ground mount bolt together type application. You don't need bags of concrete. Cinder blocks were used in this application. Of course, within the felt was thrown down for leaves and, or not leaves, weeds coming up off of this thing. So other than that, this is one of 3 jobs on this property. It is a private farm for a customer, and a secondary line will be coming up next here as we're digging for the trench from point A to point B. We have another property going down there and one over here. This is the main pump house. This is the reason why this one's going off grid, because this pump house supplies the whole property line with this water. So I have to run a dedicated line. Come on. Anyways, it's a pump house, right? Dedicated line to 240 volts, where right now he has 120 coming off of this one. We're going to go ahead and rerun him a new line for 240 coming in, so this thing can stay off grid. All right, folks, keep you updated. Thank you. Love y'all. Bye.